girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
To you real quick. I want to enjoy the luxury of like not knowing each other for real. Hold up.
Lord is flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high. I can teach you all the sounds of love.
Flower bomb, let me guess your favorite fragrance. And you got that bomb. I'm trying to detonate it. No disrespecting, baby. Just try and make me smile. Try to keep my spirits up. That's why I lace it down. Try to keep your spirits up. Little vodka, whatever. Took it forever to get dressed. I acknowledge your effort, so I clap for her. She deserves an applause. Shawty working so hard. She deserves that baton. Shawty, where your baton? Racing through my mind like she heard that. I got that work. I heard that she been on strike. Care to tell? I read your mind. She been on them dollars first. Caramel, macchiato, when shawty get in the work. I can be your boyfriend, be your Vito, or a grand reverse. I'm just trying to work that. They just trying to work your nerves. I'm just trying to read your mind. I'm just trying to feed you mine. I'm just trying to keep you light. They just trying to leave you blind.
Fantasy, I feel the way you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about it down and down. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby?
Flower bomb, can I blow up on your mind? This is not no Sandra Bull, but your potion number 9. Navigating through her eyes, destination to her thighs. And I hate to tell you too much, cause I stay with too much pride. And we way too young to know love. Maybe not, but we don't need no rush. Don't believe in love at first sight, but believe in love at first. Can I be with you just one night? I can wear you out inside. I can tell you like persistence, but I make me try. I just think we need one night. Can't decide if I can't right. Easy baby, my thing tight, but that lotus flower just ain't right. I ain't thinking I ain't right. Can't decide, but I can't fight. Easy baby, you the bomb and all, but if I do not land mine, or at least try, can I speak up? What's the peace out? Can we eat lunch? Can we take shots with your flavor? Black drinks we call A-cups. I just think I need one night. Slightly more if it's done right. With that gorgeous face, I don't know your name. It ain't important, baby, cause I'm a home nine.
Fantasy,
Wow.
I feel it when you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about it down and down. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby? Don't know if I keep it's a gone. Don't know
everyone, it's Domthetastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for Megalook hair, and today I'm reviewing this closure unit from them. Today's unit is a pre-cut closure unit. I want to say this is possibly about like a 5x5 unit, just based off of like the parting space that we have going on. So yeah, as you guys can see, I did a simple zigzag part just to spice it up a little bit and give, you know, us a little more pizzazz. I love doing zigzag parts, and to define my zigzag part today, I did use the LA Pro concealer in the color Fawn. It looks like this, you guys. So this is what I use. This is just an old concealer, but yeah, this is how it looks. It really helps like make the part stand out. And one thing that I'm really loving about this hair is that it is a true jet black unit. This unit is like so dark, and I just really like that about it, because you know, a lot of times like we get units that are dark, but they are typically on the like dark brown kind of side, so you don't really get the same kind of vibe. But yeah, this is how it turned out. This hair is so silky straight. It's very healthy, shed free, and it has a very secure fit. So as far as the construction of this unit, this is, like I said, a closure unit, but it is a glueless unit with an elastic band inside, and it just has one adjustable elastic band that hooks in and out of the unit. It's not sewn in, so that is one thing that I'm kind of like about. I wish it was like a sewn in elastic band, because a lot of times with these ones where you like hook it in, for me, one, I deal with discomfort with them, and then two, a lot of times they end up like slipping out. So that's one thing that I don't really like about the unit. I wish that they did have the adjustable band that's like sewn in and then have the adjustable straps in the back. But I would say that the unit still fits very snug on me. It's like an elastic band itself. Like the unit is like nice and snug in the back. I don't have like an extra gap back there or anything. It's actually a very great fit. And I was able to do this glueless install. As you guys saw, I didn't use any product to adhere this unit. I didn't use any gel or spray to keep the unit down. And as far as the inches on this unit, this is a 24-inch unit. You know, very standard for me. You guys know that I typically go for like a 24-inch unit or longer. You guys know I love me a good long unit. And then as far as the density on this unit, I absolutely love the density on this unit. It's definitely giving me like 180 to 200% density. And then one of the things that I also really like about this unit is the fact that it does have the pre-cut lace, and that just makes it so easy. It's perfect for like beginners, people who are not well versed in these types of units. They pretty much just do everything for you, so you don't have to do much when you get this unit. I love the pre-cut lace because it's a seamless look. You don't see any line of demarcation. You don't see the lace whatsoever. So you have a very natural, seamless install. So I really like that. And then as far as the lace in this unit, I did tint the lace with the Ebony York lace tint spray in the color dark brown. So anyways, you guys, let's go ahead and stand up so you guys can see where this unit is hitting on me. Do my good old 360 so you guys can see what the vibe is with this unit. And for reference, I am 5'2". So this is where the unit is hitting me in the front. Okay. So it's like just like past my waist. Simple. And then it looks like on this side. And the back, silky. And like y'all see like how silky it is, like all the way down. It's just really pretty. I absolutely love this unit. Like I said, it's a dark, like a very, if it's not jet black, it's a very dark brown color. Like it's very dark, and I like that about it. And it doesn't have like a bunch of gray hairs and all of that in it. It's just all in all a very good silky straight unit that I think a lot of you guys are really gonna like, especially if you're looking for something that is more beginner friendly, because this unit is definitely perfect for beginners. So I just wanted to show you guys that it is a glueless install. Now I gotta fix the lace. When you do that, like sometimes it like balls it up. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Wow. Love it. Once again, like look how beautiful and flowy this unit is. It's a very full unit, just absolutely gorgeous. So if you're interested in checking this unit out for yourself, definitely check out that description box down below for a direct link to this unit. If there was something that I didn't cover in today's video and you still have a question, drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, Megalook Hair, for sponsoring today's video and sending over this gorgeous unit. And of course, I have to thank all of my beautiful subscribers subscribers out there, both new and returning, for showing me so much love and support. And I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.